As fireworks shows across Texas got underway tonight, many people will be firing them off in their own neighborhoods. KVUE's Mike Marut joins us now. And Mike, experts said that they get calls every year from residents who aren't sure if they're hearing explosive fireworks or something more dangerous.
That's right, Quita. I talked with experts today, both a firefighter and a firework vendor. They both told me how to tell the difference between pops of fireworks and pops of gunshots.
Yeah, you also got this one.
At B&B Fireworks,
Yes, sir.
co-owner Jumbo Brigante is trying to clear his shelves.
Anything else? Appreciate it, man. Yeah, today's going to be game day. It's the Super Bowl today.
While so many people celebrate 4th of July with Brigante's products, there have been many mourning today. 2 overnight shootings in the Austin area, a mass shooting at a 4th of July parade in Highland Park, Illinois.
This is a question that firefighters get all the time.
What's a firework and what's a gunshot?
After you hear the pop or the blast go off, if you hear sparkles or crackles, usually that's a firework.
Especially at night, you won't see smoke. You won't see light after gunshots.
Braden Frame, president of the Lake Travis Firefighters Association, says first responders get all kinds of calls on firework holidays like 4th of July and New Year's.
Home fireworks every year cause a ton of injuries, thousands of injuries, mangled hands, hurt kids, hurt animals.
With every customer, Brigante urges safety.
Some of these boxes, they do stay lit. Even though they're on the ground, it's kind of windy today, so a bucket of water, throw it on there and then refill it.
But if you think you hear something unsafe, Frame says just call 911.
Just call 911 to err on the safe side. We understand, public safety understands that no one is a professional at being able to tell the difference.
Braden Frame from the Lake Travis Firefighters Association also wants to remind gun owners to not fire their guns into the air in celebration of this holiday. Of course, those bullets that go up in the air come down, potentially injuring or killing somebody. Quita.
All right, our Mike Marut reporting for us from downtown Austin tonight. Thank you, Mike.